Bonjour tout le monde! I am Pearl and welcome back to my channel, My French Story, the place to be to learn French. So make sure that you subscribe. Today we are talking about the books that you absolutely need to have in order to learn French. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So the first book that I want to talk about, it's a grammar book. You need a grammar book. And the grammar book that I am using and that I love and hate at the same time, and I'm going to explain why, is the book Schaum's. Schaum's. Doesn't sound really French, but it is a French book. So Schaum's is the grammar book you need to have. So I am going to tell you why I love this book and also the things you have to be careful with when you are using this book. So the first thing that I love with this book is that you have everything. Everything. So this book is great when you are a beginner, even A1, A2. You can use Schaum's, but also when you are C1, C2. This book covers everything. Everything. You have everything. And that's also a reason why I don't really like this book, because you have everything. Sometimes it can be a little bit tricky. You're like, oh my God, should I learn this? Should I learn that? It can be a little problem, but I'm using this book because this book is $20. So cheap, and you are going to use it from start to finish. I also have to be honest with you. This book is not the most appealing book. I'm going to put a picture of the book inside. It's very just like black and white. Like, come on. It's not appealing. It's not appealing. But this book does the job. I swear this book does the job. And also, it's so cheap. It's really cheap. $20 for a book that you are going to keep from start to finish is definitely a yes. So this book, Schaum's, I use it with my students basically just to do the exercises inside. So what I do on my channel most of the time, I'm using Schaum's when I'm going through grammar rules, and I simplify and then I make videos. So this book for me is really my Bible. So this one is great when you want to practice your grammar. Get it. It's amazing. And I want to repeat, this video is not sponsored. So all those books that I'm going to talk about, I am using them. So Schaum's for grammar, we are getting Schaum's. So another book that I really like, and I've already talked about that book in a previous video that I'm going to link in the description box down below or on the video, it's the Bescherelle. The Bescherelle. So I talked about this book in my video about how to memorize French conjugations, and a lot of you actually bought the book, and I was like, yes, awesome. So when my students are telling me that they don't have a conjugation book, I'm just like, what are you doing? You need a conjugation book. You need one. Le Bescherelle is the reference, and look at mine, please, guys. I have mine for years. Can I find the year? 2002. Oh my God, I have my book. Jesus, I have it for a long time, guys. So you see my book, it's been used. And this is how you see if a book is good or not. Is your book used? Or nah, or it's just like a bit dusty because you never use it. This is a good way to see if it's a good book. My book, this one, I've been using it a lot. You have all your conjugations. I'm not sure about the price. I think it's around $20 as well, a bargain for a book that you are going to keep for years. See, I have mine for years. It's small. I love it. I can't recommend this book enough. Conjugation book. To become a pro at conjugations, you need your Bescherelle. I will put all the links to find and get the book in the description box down below. So another book that you absolutely need to have, it's a vocabulary book. Yes, you need a vocab book because you need to learn new vocabulary, you need to learn new words. So I have two books here that I want to recommend. First of all, I want to recommend this book here, Les 1800 mots de base de l'anglais. So the 1800 basic words of English. So this book, I used it when I was in high school, when I was learning English. So inside the book, you have vocab list. So one side is English, one side is French. As simple as that. So when I started teaching French, I realized that, oh my God, I could use the same book for my students because it's just a vocab list. So this book is perfect if you are A1, A2, B1. And when you are B2, C1, C2, I have another book for you, Les 3500 mots. So this book right here, 3,500 words. So here you will learn a lot of vocab. It will absolutely change the game for you. So really get those books. So another book that you need to have when you are learning French is a dictionary. So some of you are going to say, really, Pearl, a dictionary? And I want to say yes, and I'm going to tell you why you need a dictionary. So a lot of people are going to say, I can go online if I want to translate a word. I can even translate sentences and translate full text online. This is the problem. When you go online, there are so many distractions, guys. Weirdly, you end up on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube. You end up here. So you have to be careful and have a dictionary. Like that, you are checking your word, you are not getting distracted, and you stay on your path of studying and learning. So there are a lot of dictionaries that you can get online. I love Le Petit Robert. You can get Le Petit Robert de poche, the pocket version, but there are a lot of different dictionaries. You can't really go wrong there. But trust me, if you are not using a dictionary, you need to. Un dictionnaire. You really need a dictionary when you are learning French. So I hope you get one. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Please tell me in the comment section box down below, what are the books that you are using? Please, sharing is caring. Also, if you liked the video, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss anything. That's it for me, and I see you very soon for another video. Salut!